Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have t plus 12 is equals to t, and we solve this problem for all the values of t. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. And in the first method you see here, now first we need to find all the roots of this equation. But if you see directly into the question statement, you see that it is not easy to find the values of t. Here we use a nice technique or different approach to find the values of t. So for this we apply scaling on both of the sides of this equation, and it will be written as t plus 12 whole square is equals to t square. And further in the next step, here we just we move the value t square from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as t plus 12 whole square minus t square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have x square minus y square is equals to x minus y times of x plus y. So you see here the base of this term is our x and the base of this term is our y. So in the next step we just substitute the values of x and y into the below formula. So after substituting these values according to this formula, it will be written as first factor is x minus y. The value of x is t plus 12 minus the value of y is t into the second factor is x plus y. The value of x is t plus 12 and plus the value of y is t only, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So in the first factor you see here this is minus t and this is plus t are cancelled out by each other, and here we obtain 12 only. So here we have t plus t becomes here 2t plus 12, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step we need to remove this 12 from here, so that we divide both of the sides by 12, and when we divide by 12 it will be written as in this form. So further we have this 12 and this 12 are gone, and we obtain 2t plus 12 is equals to, this is 0 divided by 12 is equals to 0. And further in the next step we because here our target is to find the values of t, so that we move this plus 12 to the right hand side, so it will becomes here minus 12. And further in the next step we remove this 2 from here, so that we divide both of the sides by 2 on each of these terms, and it will be written as in this form. This 2 and this 2 are gone, and we obtain t is equals to, this is 2 times 6 becomes 12, and we get the value of t is equals to minus 6. So you see that in the first method we easily get the roots of this equation, and it is t is equals to minus 6. And in the next step we need to verify that is this value of t be the solution, or is this value of t be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is t plus 12 is equals to t. So we substitute the above value of t on both of the sides, and we check its behavior, and when we put it here it will becomes minus 6 plus 12 is equals to minus 6, and we have minus 6 plus 12 becomes plus 6 is equals to minus 6. So you see here in the left hand side we have positive 6, and in the right hand side we have negative 6. But you see here both of these two values are not equal in general, or it is not possible case. Okay, it is not possible that a positive 6 is equals to negative 6. So this means that the above value of t is equals to minus 6 is not satisfied our given question statement, and we called that t is equals to minus 6 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. So finally we concludes about that this question has no solution in general, because we cannot get any value of t which is satisfied our given question statement. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method, and now we again solve this problem for a second method. So for a second method we just need to copy down given question statement. Here it is: t plus 12 is equals to t. So this is our given question statement, and here we use another technique to find the values of t, so that our second method be the very quick method, or here we straightforward get the values of t. So here we move the value t from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will becomes here 12 is equals to t minus t, and we obtain here 12 is equals to t minus t becomes 0. So here now we just say that it is not possible case 12 is equals to 0, because both of the values are not equal. So in the second method, you see here we cannot get any value of t which is satisfied our given question statement. So here we finally concludes about that this question has no solution in general. This is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting and exciting videos.